Hey, glad you're here. Let me talk to you like someone who's actually lived with this machine day after day, because the Alienware 16 Aurora isn't something you just test and forget. This is for the kind of person who knows when performance starts holding them back. You're not chasing specs anymore. You're chasing that feeling where everything finally keeps up with you. The moment you sit down, open it up, and realize you're done negotiating with your gear. Before we go any further, take a second to check the current price and availability. Machines like this don't sit still for long, and stock on this configuration can shift without warning. You already knew it was time to upgrade. Maybe your old laptop sounded like it was about to lift off. Maybe frame drops started breaking immersion. Maybe creative work felt heavier than it should. Whatever it was, there was that moment where you stopped pretending it was fine and admitted you'd outgrown it. The first thing you feel after switching is relief. Real relief. Games stop stuttering. Multitasking stops feeling risky. You're no longer closing apps just to keep things smooth. The system feels calm under pressure, and that calm transfers directly to you. Picture late-night gaming sessions where the screen stays sharp and fluid, not washed out or jittery. Long editing sessions where timelines scrub cleanly and exports don't hijack your entire evening. Even everyday work feels different, because the system responds instantly instead of hesitating like it's thinking about it. What stands out isn't just speed. It's confidence. The performance feels steady, deliberate, like it's built to stay composed even when you push it harder than usual. Once you get used to that consistency, going back to weaker hardware feels uncomfortable. If you're even remotely considering it, check pricing again now. Waiting too long usually means catching it after a jump, or worse, watching your preferred configuration disappear. You might be wondering if it's overkill for your needs. That doubt fades fast. The headroom becomes freedom. You stop worrying about whether something will run well and start focusing on what you actually want to do. Here's the part that surprised me. It's not just powerful, it feels refined. The balance between performance and control makes long sessions less draining. You don't feel like you're fighting heat, noise, or instability. Owning something built at this level changes how you approach your setup. You feel proud opening it up. You trust it. You expect it to deliver, and it does. Everything feels fast without feeling frantic. Gaming stays smooth and immersive for hours. Creative work feels lighter and more enjoyable. Multitasking stops being a compromise. You feel confident pushing it hard. It's not the lightest machine to carry every day. Premium performance means premium expectations. At some point, the comparison loop ends. You stop reopening tabs. You stop second-guessing. You choose the machine you already know you'll be happy with. If you're ready to stop settling and start enjoying your setup again, check the current price and availability of the Alienware 16 Aurora now. Don't turn this into one of those upgrades you keep delaying and quietly regret later.